guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Tanya. If it's the first time you've found me, thank you so much for watching. I film videos about lifestyle, fashion, beauty. Lifestyle generally covers a lot of things, doesn't it? Today's video then is a little bit different. I haven't done one for a while and it's a cleaning video. And today I'm just going to concentrate on one room then, and it's my bedroom. Now, with the coronavirus around, it's more important than ever to be careful about germs, be extra vigilant with your cleaning. I haven't really left the house in the last probably 6 weeks, other than to go to hospital visit, so I'm not worried about coronavirus germs being in the house. But you know, if you're in a household where there are people coming and going, or you're going out to work, you're coming home and getting changed, then it is even more important to make sure that you are thoroughly cleaning. So we're going to give the bedroom a really good clean. As I say, just going to concentrate on the one room in this video. So grab a cuppa, sit back, relax, and let me do the hard work.
So you don't normally see my bedroom like this on all the videos. And on Instagram it's always been really tidy, but yeah, this is how it's looking this morning. Quite a few books on the go, some magazines, some clothes that need to be put away. So the first thing then we're going to do is basically tidy up, declutter, before we make a start with the actual cleaning.
Before I carry on, one thing I'm going to do is take the bedding off. You might have seen it's half off anyway, because for some reason I get so I must move so much in the night that the bottom sheet is on the floor. I'm just going to take the whole lot off, put new on. While I'm doing that though, don't forget you should flip your mattress every 6 months, and if you want to freshen your mattress up, I'm going to show you what to do. So to freshen your mattress then, all you need is good old bicarbonate soda, and then what you do, basically just sprinkle a little bit on your mattress. Okay, and then while you're continuing to clean, just let that soak into the fibres, and then we're going to hoover it off later. So before hoovering the mattress, I'm just going to dust around the headboard just to get rid of any light dust that might be there. So that is the bed vacuumed and made, so already looking a lot better. Next I'm going to give it a quick spritz with the Glade. This is suitable for air and fabrics. Obviously if you're not sure, just test a little bit first somewhere. I'm also going to put that on the chair and curtains as well. Then start with the dusting, obviously top to bottom. Got my handy little stick here. Yeah, so I will tell you what I'm doing as I go round. I know technically that's kind of a Christmassy scent, but can you beat the smell of apple important than cinnamon any time of the year.
So now I'm going to go around with the duster just around the ceiling and on top of the wardrobes to get rid of any dust.
Okay, so quick stop to tell you then that the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe over the window. Best thing to use is actually white wine vinegar spray. This was from B&M. Newspaper is the best way really to just use it with. Best way to use it with is the best thing to use it with, but I haven't got a newspaper, so I'm going to be using a good old kitchen towel. So I'm going to make a start. Perfect day for it because the sun is shining. It obviously shows up all the dirt typically. So yeah, let's go. So they're looking much cleaner, much clearer. It's surprising how much dirt builds up on your windows, especially sort of over the winter months. Look at that. So yeah, that's that done on the inside. I know the outside needs doing, but I'm going to do that another day when I do some of the others. So I want to get on with cleaning everything else. Some of the PVC around the window has got a little bit of, you know, a little bit of black you get on it when it's damp. In the sort of over the winter, so I'm going to do that next. So I mentioned those black marks that you tend to get around windows when, well, during the winter really. So what I'm going to do is just spray a little bit of this flash all purpose, and then get an old toothbrush, or these are the ones that you know when you get them free in hotels. They're always worth bringing home for this kind of job. So that will lift any sort of dirt or mildew that has gathered over the winter, and you can just wipe that off. Ugh. And get it nice and clean again.
So we actually use glass and mirror wipes for the mirrored furniture, which I'm just showing you quickly here. I'm not going to show you me doing all the wardrobes as well, but I just find that this works best to get all the dust off and any marks from makeup or fingerprints. Around the fireplace then, I'm just using Flash Multi-Purpose again with a paper towel, just to get any dust and marks off. Always test it first, just because you never know on different surfaces how it's going to react.
Just a little trick then guys, so obviously these are
artificial flowers. So you dust them, and then, this isn't a hack that I've invented, it's Mrs. Hinch one. So you get a cotton pad or cotton wool ball, spray a little bit of diluted Zoflora onto it. You took it into your flower arrangement somewhere, and then it's scented. So when you're cleaning, just change that each time just to refresh it. So all that's left to do now then is give the room a good hoover, get into all the little gaps. So I've got the nozzle here, and then I'm just going to steam it just to make sure the floor is completely clean. So there we go, all done and clean. I actually wish you guys could smell it, because it just, you know when you get that clean smell, just like everything smells of cleaning stuff. Yeah, it's like that. But don't worry, window is open. But yeah, happy with that. One down. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video and had a little insight into my cleaning routine. If you do have any comments, do pop them in the box below. And if there are any other videos that you would like me to film, any cleaning videos or any videos generally that you would like to see, do let me know. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and make sure you hit the little notification bell so you are alerted each time a new video is uploaded. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.